Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva Background Remover, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install the Canva Background Remover, start by launching your web browser. Go to the official Canva website at www.canva.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Alternatively, you can log in if you already have an account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. On the left sidebar, click on Create a Design. Choose any design type you'd like to work on. Now, look for the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. Click on Uploads to open the Upload panel. Here, click on the Upload Media button. Select the image you want to remove the background from and upload it. Once the image uploads, click on it to add it to your design. With the image selected, look for the Edit Image button in the top toolbar. Click on Edit Image to open the editing options. In the editing options, find the Background Remover tool. Click on Background Remover to start the background removal process. Wait a few moments as Canva processes the image. Once complete, you'll see the background removed from your image. You can now adjust the image as needed. Finally, save your design by clicking on the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your desired file format and download your edited image. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.